Hello everyone, my name is Atharva. I'm one of the founding engineers at Future AGI. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to optimize your agents using Future AGI's optimize feature. So I've already created an agent definition here. It is a customer service and support agent. Let's go inside and take a look at how this agent is built. So if you look at this agent definition here, I have connected my WAPI agent here, and I have put a prompt here. So if you look at this is a decently sized prompt and most of the case handlings here. I've also enabled observability and I have kind of created this agent here. After the agent is created, we can run simulations on this agent, right? And for that, we need to create scenarios. So if you go on the scenario tab, I have created 50 scenarios here. You can see there are different personas being tested and situations and outcomes being tested. There are different branch categories also on which each of the basically scenario is tested. Once we have created our scenario, we can run our simulation by going to the run simulation screen and creating a simulation test. I've already created a simulation here and have run 50 calls on my agent. If you go inside, we already have all the calls run here, and I have also set up some evaluations related to this agent. So some of them are like satisfactory conclusion, conversation quality, and interruption. As you can see, there are a lot of calls where the interruption was too high or there was no satisfactory conclusion. So based on this eval, we can actually optimize your prompt by using different optimizers that we have. To do that, you can first click on Fix My Agent. You will at least need 15 completed calls in order to enable our Fix My Agent feature. So once you open this drawer, you can see the suggestions that we have for your agent. Some of these suggestions can be optimized using our system currently, and some of these are out of scope of our optimization. But you can look through this and manually kind of improve your agents using the recommendations here. You can also filter the calls based on the suggestion here. For example, we have a suggestion here that to implement an interruption logic, to improve the interruption logic basically. And you can click on this to apply the filter and see all the calls where the interruption was too high. You can also look at the issue in detail and basically look at the summary for each of our suggestions. In order to optimize your agent, basically optimize your prompt, you can click on this button and create an optimization. After putting an optimization name, you can select what kind of optimizer you want to use. You can refer to our docs to get an idea about which optimizer is best suited for your use case and according to the trade-offs you have. Once you select an optimizer, let's just say I'm going to go with anyone, and you can change the parameters here to get the results you want. Again, you can check our docs here to get more idea on whatever the parameters present here. After running an optimization, you can see the results in the operation runs. As you can see, I've run some optimization here already. Let's go through one of this. So I've run one using the gap optimizer, and as you can see, you get such results here. You can see, so we run multiple trials on your prompt and we try to improve your prompt and then run simulation on those prompts. So if you can see, as you can see, there are multiple trials being run and the scores are being generated, evaluation scores are being generated for each one of them. After all the trials are run, you can get the best prompt marked here with this symbol. You can also see how the evaluation results changed as the trials were progressing. Once you click on one of the trials, you can open the prompt which was generated. So this is our optimized agent prompt. You can look through this, you can copy this, and you can use it in your agents. You can also see the difference from your existing prompt by clicking on the show diff button. As you can see here is your agent prompt which you had supplied to us in the agent definition. We show the diff of what needs to be changed in order to get these optimized results. You can also see each and every trial runs by clicking on trial items and go through the evaluation results here. As you can see, we have input output and the scores for each and every evaluation that you had put in. That's all for this video. You can go through our docs and go through all our optimizers to find out which best suits you and get the best optimized prompt for your agents. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.